Now we start install the visual positioning software. Before installing the visual software, make sure the printer is printing normally. We go to the back of the printer to find the network cable. This yellow or green cable is used for camera. The previous black cable was used for the printer. Pay attention to the distinction. Plug the camera cable directly into the computer port. Before plugging in, take a look at the computer settings. Find the control panel and open. Click View Network Status and Tasks. Look, there is already a port here. This is the port where the printer was connected before. This one, black one. The black cable is this port. Now we plug the yellow cable in. Look, a new port pops up here. So this new port is for the camera. Click it to set. First make sure it is 1 GB. Then we click Properties. Configure. Advance. Find jumbo frames. This one is jumbo frame. We check the value option on the right. Different computers have different values, choose the largest value. Then OK. Close. Next we need to find the camera software. Take this A2UV as an example. Open right side cover. See here. Find the silver USB drive in the small bag. Take out the USB drive. These two USBs are for camera install. The blue one is the dongle for the camera software. It's not a USB drive, there's nothing in it. Just plug it into computer then can use. It's just a key, after plugging it in then can open the camera software. Then we plug the silver USB drive into the computer. Copy the camera software to the computer desktop. Then we go to the computer screen and start the installation. Open Setting. Open Update and Security. Windows Security. Virus and Threat Protection. Manage settings. All options here remain closed. OK, back to desktop. Find the two softwares copied from the silver USB drive. Right-click and unzip. If your computer does not have an unzip tool, search Google for 7-zip download to download. Then right-click and use 7-zip to unzip out a folder. Unzip out to English folder. Then open Windows Security. Add or remove exclusions. Add an exclusions. Folder. Find the two folders we just unzipped. Select folder. Add other one. OK, this way the camera software will not be detected as a virus. Our software is no virus. It's just because it was just made and not recognized by Windows yet. Okay, close. Now these two folders are ready to use. Open Software folder. Open Smart Vision folder. Find Translations. Open to English folder. Copy this file to Translations folder. Well done. Close them. Then open the control panel. Open the camera's network connection port. Properties. Configure. Advanced. Check the jumbo frame value again. Confirm that it is the maximum value selected. OK. Open Properties again. Double-click IPv4. Select Manual IP. Enter IP 192.168.300. Left-click on the second row. Then OK. This IP address is used to connect to the camera software. If we do not change this IP, the camera software cannot connect. Close the control panel. Open the camera software folder. Open the first folder. Find MP-cap file. Double-click to install. This is the camera driver. There are no special options, just press Next to install. Finish. Then find QY scanner. Double-click to open. Find it in the toolbar on the bottom right. This eye. Double-click and open. Now it is Chinese. Let's change the language. Click the third icon. Open the first option. This option, change to English. The software will automatically restart. We open it again. It is already in English. And here shows the connected. Configure. Simplified. Enter password 68. All options on the left are turned on. We need to create a new folder to save the scanned images. Minimize the software. Right-click to create a new folder named Scan Image. This folder is placed in one location. Do not move or delete it. Open ICE software again. Change the path of this option to the Scan Image folder. Select Scan Image folder. OK, the path is set. This software is set up. Minimize it. Open the original software folder. Find this icon and double-click it to open it. Let's change the language first. A dialog box will pop up automatically. Close it. Select English here. Wait for the software to restart. Now it is English. Click here to open parameter setting. Scroll down to find the Y direction DPI. Make sure Y DPI is to 160. Apply. Enter password 66. Close. Then open here RIB configuration. Make sure PRN color number is 7. OK. Then open here setting. The path of the first line option needs to be changed. Change to the original software folder. Select QY scanner. Open. The path of the second line option also needs to be changed. Select the folder scan image we just made. Then click here to apply. Close. Then we go here to open system parameters. Plugin 0 path needs to be changed. Select QY scanner then open. Apply. OK, close. The camera software is now installed. Finish. Next we will start calibration and printing.